Hello, good morning. We are on the M6. We're on the way to Scale Model World 2022 in Telford. Greg's here with me. Say hello, Greg.
Hello.
Yeah, and should be due to get there around 10. Do actually have a membership this year, which means I could have got in around 9, but it is difficult getting up on time on a Saturday morning, isn't it? Especially when you've got a child with you. Really looking forward to seeing some interesting models there, interesting shops. I really loved the second-hand shops last year. Just, unearthing some real gems. What are you looking forward to today, Greg?
I'm looking forward to you doing the build and take.
Oh yeah, the make and take. Yeah, we made a tank last year, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
What are you looking to make this year?
I'm thinking like a Spitfire.
Spitfire, okay. Well, we'll see what they've got. And here we are at the International Centre in Telford. The queue to get in was really long, so definitely a benefit to getting the membership. All 3 halls were fully in use this year with a lot more people and displays than in 2021. Having looked around many of the shops, it was then time to look around at the tables from the different regional groups and special interest groups. Greg and I were really impressed by the special details people had gone to, such as adding lights to this Star Destroyer, and there were quite a few comedy builds which also caught the eye. As I'm predominantly a car builder, those were the ones that I was really on the hunt for, and I found some outstanding builds. If you see one of your builds in the video, please let me know in the comments down below. Timestamp it so I know which one you're talking about as well. It was a pleasure to talk to Mark and some of the guys from the Facebook group Road and Track in Scale. The models on their display were superbly finished, and a lot of them had some really interesting stories. We took a break from walking around to do the Airfix make and take. This year just the option of the Spitfire or the Mark 1 tank. Where are we here, Greg?
We're at the Model World.
And this part's called the...
And this part's called Make and Take.
Make and take. And what are we making?
We're making a Spitfire.
You enjoying it?
Yeah.
Top tip, bring some Tamiya glue. Whilst I'm not much of a military builder, it was interesting to see Airfix's display as they had fully built models of all of their current range. I was particularly interested in these 143rd starter kit cars. I might get some of those for my sons for Christmas. This automotive group had done a history of cars display. Spot the odd one out though. I saw a lot of Ben's patent motor wagons, tempted to get one myself now.
No, but you showed me like the beginning part.
There were so many different displays, I can see why a lot of people come back for the second day. I was really interested in these Adventures in Plastic Thunderbirds kits. I may put the Thunderbird 2 on my Christmas list. I spoke to some people from Arts University Bournemouth about model making as a career, which is a really interesting sounding course. It was great to see so many builds of Ukrainian subjects. Greg and I had a lovely chat with this German table about our shared love of Pokemon. So here we are at Scale Model World 2022. We've had a really good day, haven't we, Greg? What have we seen?
We've seen lots of models and displays.
Yeah, lots of models, lots of displays, a few how-tos, gone to a few shops, spoken to a few people that met online, so that's really cool. Yeah, Charmander, you've spoken to a few Pokemon fans as well, haven't you? Yeah. We've got a few nice kits. I've got some rare things, Captain Scarlet thing, some American kits. You've got some Lego type stuff as well.
Yeah, like a Lego train and 2 robots.
Yeah, Gundam kits, which you know, you can find stuff here which you can't find anywhere else. Seen some amazing models. I would have liked to look a lot longer at the competition section, but it was so busy and we just don't have much time. But I've taken a load of photos. I'll show them here at the end. Well done to all the people who've entered those, and congratulations to the winners. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon. There were far more competition entries than there were last year, which isn't really that surprising, and the standard was unbelievably high. There were some really original ideas, particularly for dioramas and things like that. It's really given me some ideas about if I want to enter a model competition like this in the future. As I said before, if you see one of your builds in the video here, please let me know in the comments down below and timestamp it so I know which one it is. Thanks very much to all the IPMS organisers for Scale Model World 2022. It was a fantastic show. I'm really looking forward to next year. Now I'm a member, I think I'll be looking out for other events that happen in 2023. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon.